Hey folks, Josh Ryan, Brio Farms, Eaton County, Michigan. Standing in our only soybean field this year. Hoping to take this off today, October 9th. Get these beans off, and we're gonna try to plant this to some cereal rye. Uh, Hopefully for harvest next summer. So we have a little cereal rye cover crop seed for the following fall. So beans look ready, look pretty good. Got a little grass coming up in them, but it's dying off. Hopefully, should go through the machine pretty good. But so anyway, I'll try to get you some updates throughout the day, and you folks have a great day. Thanks. Hey folks, Josh Ryan, Brio Farms. Back in the field we were in just yesterday. Got the drill out with some rye in it. Like I said, we're gonna try to harvest some rye next year for cover crop seed. So off to doing that today. Beans did fairly well, 50 to 55 bushel the acre on the harvested acres. Have a huge swing around here, huge round out spot. So I don't know, probably lost like 2.5 acres to that. But oh well, the rest of the beans that were here were really good, and we're happy to have them. And already got them to the elevator. Not going to store them. There's no carrying to market right now, so got them to the elevator, and hopefully the check on its way. So anyway, we'll get the rye seeded, and we'll go from there. You folks have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Thanks.